Dude, I've noticed, I didn't know this, okay, that I had this trait. Bangaloreans, after every sentence, they're like,
Yeah. And there is another thing. Thu.
it doesn't come from the tongue, it comes from the epiglottis.
Yeah.
Thoo. आता रहा
Huh?
है.
Yeah.
Vibrate in your
Come
lungs.
from your gut.
From your ass.
In North India ऐसा like ऐसे थूकने का वो culture नहीं है इधर.
अच्छा नहीं है.
ये क्या बक रहे हो मादरचोद?
Half of North India is red.
Love Bangalore. I've been here for almost 7 years.
She has to say she loves it.
Yeah.
I love it.
I love it.
No Hindi, no nothing. ना only करना.
ये गोट क्या है मेरी पकड़ देख कल से बच्चों दी नहीं करी मेरी स्ट्रगल देख
Okay, let's go. We're back after a year, and this year has been great. But this time we have a new guest, our local, Bangalore, baddie who's killing it in the scene. Rao.
Oh, yay. Hi.
But one thing I noticed this year is that a lot of them are taking their fitness seriously, their health seriously, and which is a great
I feel
thing.
like that is also because we are all collectively coming to that 25, 26 age where we just, start to fear death more.
Yeah, quarter life crisis.
Yeah. Everything that I do, I'm like, will this kill me? How soon will this kill me? What should I do to delay it killing me?
This will be the one.
I would differ from that because I don't mind all that. But at the end of the day, like if you're dying, die jacked, bro. Like die jacked. Like
Johnny Brab.
Fair.
yes,
The man is like, die jacked. You should get abs.
he said that.
He said that. He's like, you should make sure he trains like what? How
He's
old is
been
he?
training for like 40
All
years
his
now.
years.
And he's like, I will train. And he's like, I will train until I die. I'm like,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I saw that
yeah,
interview. Oh,
I'll train
damn.
until I die and all. The other guy also, who's that? Sanjay Dutt? Oh yeah.
Sunil Shetty.
Sanjay. Sanjay.
Sanjay Dutt, no, bro.
He doesn't say about
Shetty.
working out, but he says like,
About drinking. A lot about drinking. There's this
Drinking.
random video where he's
You should.
attending a wedding and there's a whiskey bottle on top of the cake. He takes the bottle and he like puts it under his pocket like, Aaj raat ka set ho gaya.
there's one more video where he goes on like telling her, he's like, what is this? You are a man. You should wear black shirt. You should wear grey shirt.
Grow a beard, but he himself is clean shaven in that.
Grow a beard. You should ride a bike. What are you riding a scooty for? I'm like, okay, bro, chill.
You're a man, right? A Yulu, bro. What is this? What is behavior? Oh, damn. No, but I feel like Bangalore has that culture more than run clubs and all of that. It's fitter, I feel. Like, dude, even y'all hit the gym. Like, I haven't seen, I don't mean to diss other cities, but I haven't seen this in Delhi and all of that. I don't know, even in Delhi, dude, my friends, like, I have friends who do MMA and all in Delhi, but I think it's also like an entire generation change where
Correct,
all of us
yeah.
are way more
Yeah.
health aware of our health, but in Bangalore, everybody you meet, bro, they would have competed in something, bro. Literally half my following, okay, they have competed. WPC, powerlifting, India, whatever, ICN, bodybuilding shows, anything they've competed.
I've
And I don't
competed
even
in drinking challenges.
These are just letters to me.
She's like, ICW. I know ICW.
I see Indian Cocktail Week.
ICW, I know.
A, B, C, D, buffering.
True. But the thing is, no, when I was competing, dude, so many localites, bro, there. I'm like, bodybuilding. Like, I did bikini and sports, okay? And dude, women don't come. Women don't show up for bodybuilding. Okay, but in Bangalore, you have solid fucking competition. I don't know, dog. I'm so proud to say that I competed with Chitra Purushottam.
Oh, wow.
She's very famous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really
And dude,
cool
she's
stuff.
amazing on stage. The confidence. My first show was with her.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and dude, the confidence that she has is amazing. She became very famous also. She was that built bride.
I think I've
I've
seen
only
it.
seen AI versions of it, right?
She was wearing silk saree and her body was so
Oh yeah, I've seen that. Yeah.
But like, dude, I have this one thing. Oh, she shouldn't have judged me, bro. I feel like my first show, okay, everybody. So the thing is, my first show was UKBFA. It was some mad body, mad fit competition. Okay, and I
From the UK, like why is it called UK?
Uttama Karnataka Bodybuilding Fitness Association. It is a very district level federation. It's a Karnataka federation itself for bodybuilding.
I had to ask, bro. In my head, it was like either UK or like Uttarakhand or something.
Sorry. Sorry, I didn't give context. My bad. Yeah. So all these women who are, my competitors, they're all jacked, they're all enhanced, and I'm like, wow. And then I'm telling my coach, Nan hogtini, I can't do it, bro. I'm there like on kaddi, and I'm so fucking nervous. Because your muscles go flat when you're nervous, right? And it's your first show and everything. Carb cutting, water cutting, all that I'm doing. I'm like, I can't do this. And I told my coach, let's go, let's leave. I can't do this. He was like, illa, neen maartiya. You will fucking do it. And I don't know how. I think my coach just said it for the fuck of it,
He
okay?
pulled a chak de over there, like 70 minutes.
70 minute.
How many minutes is the
5 minute.
whole thing?
The entire this thing is 5 minute, 7 minute types. But your this thing is for 1 minute. That's all.
Oh, that's
So simply for the fuck of it, he was like, no, neen maartiya, hogo. You will win because of your posing. You have the chance. Don't waste it. And I actually won for my posing. Yeah, but I was like, oh my god, that's Chitra Purushottam.
Yeah.
I'm like, what? Yeah, but all of them, like, dude, all of them judge me backstage. Like, she's competing. I'm
And
like,
she won.
Yeah.
Slay.
Excuse
no,
me.
I'll still say it till today. They shouldn't have judged me, bro. And that also taught me a lot. Like, I don't care how experienced you are, don't judge.
Yeah.
You never know. You never know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
What level was Chitra competing for?
She was
He was
judging that.
What?
What?
No, I was competing.
You said what level was
But
Chitra
was
competing?
also there
Yeah.
as a judge, or she actually
no, she
judged
was with me,
Okay.
competing.
That's what. So she
Oh.
judged her.
Shit, I am
Bitch.
way off.
She thought, yeah, that's all.
Don't judge.
When you said Chitra Purushottam was judging me, I thought, oh, judging me.
No, she was competing with me.
Oh, so she was judging me.
So anybody that asks me, like, should I take up bodybuilding? I'm like, don't take up bodybuilding. Because you will never be happy. Even if you win, no, you'll watch your video and be like, gee, this posing I could have done better. You will never be happy. But in powerlifting, no, wow, that lift was insane. Damn, I balled it, dog.
I'm just a shoplifter.
Was. Sorry.
Was.
Was. Not anymore.
Was.
I cannot up to
Those
not
days are
any
behind me.
But damn, bro. School days, I think, like, we had, like, fights also or something.
I feel like to be good at beating people up, you have to have like a huge tolerance for being beaten up.
That's true. Yeah, I mean,
And that day I realized
That's where
that,
our
oh,
parents come in the picture.
where my dad
Thank you,
belted-
Dad,
thank you.
for belting the shit out of me.
Belted.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Fuck that. Like, tuitions, bro. They would
Oh yeah.
they would whoop your ass. Like,
For what reason, bro? Who are you, bro? Like, who are you?
They were trying to make you study, okay? I will not hear tuition teacher slander because I thoroughly believe
I mean, yeah.
that they
she
want
does.
the best for you.
No, they weren't, bro.
See, no. For her, it's a different case scenario. For
Because
me,
you passed and shit. We failed even after that.
Yeah.
not 11th and 12th. We're not talking about that. We're talking about school.
School also I failed, bro.
Are you 30?
No, like
That bad?
No, like not
Maybe
final.
30.
Not final, like test and all.
Unit test is
Unit
fine.
test I used to fail.
I
Finals,
remember,
thought.
like, I had a tuition teacher in 8th grade, and she used to slap us so hard that our ears would ring like for 5 minutes. But then, damn, the amount of retention capacity I got from all the slapping. Yes, approved.
Shit. Bro, but the entire, like, oh, it's your boards, dude, the way they hype 10th
Yeah.
and 12th
Oh,
saying,
yeah, it's
this will determine your life only. I'm like, I don't see where my 10th and 12th marks matters now.
They do, ma. Give cat. They matter very much.
CAT means, of course, if you
Yeah,
go for
I
another exam, all that.
Any
matters.
higher education, your 10th and 12th marks do matter. 10th I got great, and then 12th.
Sorry,
Okay.
I'm not study material. I can't study.
UG we finished
Your
enough.
mommy material.
I can't wait to be someone's sugar mama.
मेरी बन जाओ. चीनी माता श्री.
Done. What do you want to tell?
Dyson.
Guys.
Okay,
Easy,
baby
easy.
girl.
Damn, dude.
Bro, like,
Is my screen audible?
yeah, and also like, you know how we used to say like, hey, see the sound,
Yeah.
see the sound,
See the sound, bro. This is all Bangalore things all here.
see the sound, see how much, hey, see how much sound he's making.
Simply something ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Again, these are all Bangalore slang.
Bangalore slang, bro.
Yeah.
Crazy.
You don't know Bangalore slang, no? No?
Lucknow slang is like mother too.
I'll ask
What
you.
Bangalore slangs do you like?
Tikka muchu. Then shata.
Wait, what is the question?
Which Bangalore slangs do you know / like favorites?
Yenapa. I don't know if it's a slang. But then what else I know?
Tell no, you know.
Tunna, you know. I don't know what that means. Wait.
Okay, I'll tell you. That means good morning.
No, I know it has something to do with the.
If you see, if you like, if you want
Yeah.
to, if you want to call someone a very cute guy, like you're like so cute, be like Boli Maga.
Yeah.
It's a cute boy.
Boli means it's like a small, cute, fluffy hamster.
That's true.
I
Maga means-
swear we're not capping. I'm your friend. Why would I cap?
Precisely.
I tell that to all my friends. Bro, you're my Boli Maga, bro.
But yeah,
Wait, one more. Randy Munde.
I mean, that's by D-Boss.
Yeah,
The great
that's my
D-Boss.
D-Boss.
The boss supremacy.
Chinger. Hey, Beversi, Giversi,
Oh,
you don't
oh.
know.
No, it's Beversi.
Biavarsi.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's the
Nice.
vocab.
But I think there's more to Bangalore slangs, honestly.
Yeah.
Like,
More than like.
see, the goated one is like, I think, Gomma.
Yeah.
I've heard you all say that.
But
Gomma, where you done?
still use Gomma.
I use a
it's,
lot.
Pretty.
I still use it.
But you're a fossil.
When have you ever said Gomma to me, bro?
Gomma, where are you? Shut your mouth.
Hello, yeah.
That is recently. That is because, like, literally, the way we start our call is like, hey, Gandu, shut up.
Tikka nahi mari ke.
Asshole.
Fucker. Chutia.
And then
That's how we
end.
And like everyone who's like listening to us will be like, why is he fight? Why are they fighting? There's something wrong. But that's how we start our conversation.
But I think Bangalore slangs, yeah. Gomma is definitely should be on the. It's a goated
Yeah.
word.
What do you guys think? Is Gomma any more relevant?
It is. Hell yeah.
Is it relevant anymore?
Yeah.
Or not? Vote in the comments.
Yeah.
Congratulations. But yeah, apart from what is the other words? As a Bangalorean, what do we speak?
Like we say stuff like simply, like sumne becomes simply. Yeah, it's like that.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು.
Morning he'll come out.
Morning.
Oh yeah,
like that.
This and all I
It's
also
like
know. This and all.
Yeah.
That's also another thing. Yeah.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
Yeah.
so it's like this and all.
I mean,
Like that only it is.
Oh yes, I use
I think
that
we
as
should
well.
give like one full input.
I told you only. That's how.
And dude, I've noticed, I didn't know this, okay, that I had this trait. After Bangaloreans, after every sentence, they're like,
Yeah.
They
And
follow
there is
that.
another thing. Thu.
it doesn't come from the tongue, it comes from the
The epiglottis.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
अभी दूंगी इसके ऊपर.
Wait, try two again.
Thu.
Nah.
ಥೂ ಆ ಥರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
Go like
ಥೂ
It should come from your, it should vibrate in your
come
lungs.
from your gut. Like,
From your ass. What are we talking about?
My mom does a very nice.
what is it?
"Pho ninna."
See,
But she's
that
very
comes from the gut.
disappointed now, like, "Pho." Yeah, like that. Comes from here.
In North India ऐसा like ऐसा थूकने का वो culture नहीं है इधर भी
अच्छा नहीं है
The slangs in like, see,
नॉर्थ इंडिया में थूकने का कल्चर नहीं है. It seems half of the city is red over
Is
there.
context is
Half of North India is red.
exactly. No, fuck that. These guys have gone to UK, and now in UK they're
Yeah.
like,
Okay, means
These
Uttam
guys, as
Karna-
if there's nobody who choose pan masala in Bangalore.
bro, it's,
Yeah, no?
it's most of the Northeast only are selling, no?
Oh.
Hey, UK means Uttam Karnataka.
Again, you have doubt.
Wembley. What is that place? Wembley. Some.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Apparently, like, I literally saw this reel today, and that this girl, she's Papa, she's like, everyone is spitting over here. You can see red marks everywhere on the building.
Dude, even South Indians have pan masala, okay?
But we
Adi.
don't spit.
Ah,
and
so you would swallow.
Yeah. I mean, you don't have
I
pan.
was saying it with so much pride.
Yeah, we swallow.
Swallow. Yeah.
That shit is not tough, buddy.
Not with the pan masala. See, I love Bangalore. I've been here for almost 7 years. I love it.
You love it?
I love it. Yeah. Why do you think I
She
don't
has
go?
to say she loves it.
yeah.
Or else
Scared.
she'll be.
She's scared right now. Like, I love it.
I
I love it. I love it.
What do you think of Bangalore?
Hey,
Too good, ma.
speak Kannada. Kannada kali.
No Hindi, no nothing, na. Only Kannada. Kannada ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. By the way.
Proud.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say,
At least that much.
wait, what else? What are the other Kannada things that you know?
Yet Budweiser ಕೊಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಕೊಡಿ. MG ರೋಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. Okay?
Nice.
Yeah.
Got it.
Nice. Airport ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ क्या होता है?
No, will you go to the airport? ಜಾओगे?
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. 5th floor ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Bartini sounds so weird.
Her Bartini, no?
Why
Imagine,
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ?
imagine if she says like this in sex. Like to say, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Sexy talk in Kannada would slap.
Bro, honestly, imagine.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ.
Call, wait, how do you say
ಹೌದು
call?
ಅಪ್ಪ.
ನನಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕರಿ.
Call me daddy. ನನಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕರಿ.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ನೋಡು.
Don't put this. I will get death threats.
What do you love about Bangalore?
What do I love about Bangalore is that it has allowed me to be who I am. Like, at least in my experience, I have found people who are localites and who have like accepted me for who I am. Like these guys, right? So I met them like 4 years ago, and they never kind of imposed their culture on me. And but I.
No, not because that. We both are like,
Both of them, so that we don't make sound like.
sorry.
ADHD. But yeah, like these guys never tried to kind of be imposing of their culture.
Yeah, we roast her, but that's just
Yeah,
for fun.
and the thing
We
is,
don't care.
like they become a part of my culture. So at Diwali, pujas, they'll come to my house, and then I'll come to their house for Ganesh Chaturthi, and every other festival that these guys want to have. And I feel like it's a friendship of mutual respect, and I feel like that is what is something that people should aspire to have, because it's like
100%.
that is how you're gonna maintain the positivity that at the end of the day you want to keep in the city, right? Everybody is just accepting, and there's a mutual respect. Like I'd never ever disrespect anything that these guys believe in or have been brought up with. Yeah, they disrespect the but I feel like that's
It's not
fair.
even disrespect, it's just
It's just
roast.
happens.
Yeah, it is worthy of
Because
disrespect.
Yeah.
it does happen. Like, I mean,
Yeah.
Call out the bad shit. bro,
Yeah.
that's
That
all.
shit should be
Yeah.
banned. Honestly, I feel pan should be banned. Like not the sweet
Bro,
pan.
if pan gets banned,
It
there's
still
no
leaves
economy,
the red
bro.
thing in your mouth.
I mean, see, sweet pan is
See, the
fine.
reason why pan is even famous is because they say that, like in the north, like these Bihar and all, like people
gets you
don't.
high.
No, people like can't afford a cigarette.
Oh yeah.
So that's why they just. Yeah, that's why pan is famous because it's so cheap.
No, the
It's
thing
so
is,
cheap.
pan, you get a pan for like 3 rupees. Because there's like versions of pan. So
BD is
it's-
still like 5-6 rupees.
Yeah.
No, the cigarette
No,
is
now
17-18.
BD, the reason why pan is.
Oh, I can't
Yeah. The reason why pan is so famous is also because it has been a very favorite way to get high or to get that hit. Because, yeah, pan is something acceptable. Like you're just eating something, you can do it anywhere. Cigarettes and BDs are BDs. What the hell? North India.
BDs.
BD. BD, like you have, people will be like, BD. Nobody is like, oh, what you're eating. So it's convenient. It's more about the convenience of
And also a
rather
pan,
than
you can chew it for like 3 hours.
Yeah, they'll be like,
Yeah, there are pans that you can keep chewing.
like they're just like gargling with that, and then
Yeah, it's just circulating.
Imagine the
Air circulation.
Rumination, bro.
breath break.
Pro
Come here.
max.
the pan breath is actually not bad. You know,
What are you saying?
like how cigarette breath smells. Pan breath is literally just like how do I say? I don't know. The red paste. they put
Honestly,
in
it's
the-
not that bad. I get what you mean. Like
just
cigarette
smells like
breath is still
pan.
bad. Pan,
Yeah.
but it's still bad. Is
Yeah,
what
yeah.
the
I'm
point
not
is.
saying it's like fresh roses.
Like imagine like someone like you go to meet your CEO like in a board meeting and you smell like pan. Like
That's weird.
that's weird as fuck.
Sir, actually, this is my deck.
यहाँ क्यों बे यार?
अरे भैया आप ये देखिए
अरे तो देखिए ना।
ये मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन है इसमें मैंने इतना इंडस्ट्री एनालिसिस वेट न्यू वन
It's still better than smoking vape, bro.
Bro, fuck.
वेप
No.
ये नो
This girl, she vapes. She's vaping.
नो आई डोंट
No, she
वेप
stopped.
Used to.
I had like one vape that I ever bought in my life.
She stopped.
Yeah.
That's the worst thing.
But are vapes still relevant today? I don't
Yeah.
think
Yeah,
people are vaping.
extremely
man.
relevant.
Very much.
Like in my brother's circle, at least, since they're still students and can't afford a proper vape, they
And-
pool in money and they buy a
Yeah.
communal vape, and that is circulated
Bro.
one week.
Fuck that. The thing is, like they just do it not because like you said, like because they all can use, but also because like they're like now cigarettes are like, you know, during exam time they can't go buy cigarettes or whatever, or at home if they're not like, you know, they have strict parents and all, they're like, we'll smoke at home like with vape. I'm like, oh, fucking-
Yeah.
It's so funny because like vape was
Blueberry smoke, so it smells nice.
I'm like, bro, when I tried one, I'm like, it fucked my throat so bad. Bro, fuck this. Who wants to smoke this shit?
Really? Dude, I saw.
I've never tried and all. I've not tried anything honestly. So I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Point out that. What is that?
That's the juice, yeah, strawberry juice.
Arre, keep the
Strawberry juice.
Keep the label
Yeah.
like this. Why are you
It's
promoting
pointing.
Yeah, I don't think it's seen.
Yeah.
that? Blur it.
No, but there was this one guy. I was coming back from work and I just got out of my bus and he's vaping and walking on the road. I'm like, brother, keep that inside. If police catches you, you
Yeah.
get fucked. He's like, oh, I didn't know. I'm like, where are you from? Delhi. Explains it. I'm like, no.
He's from a very bad place.
He's in a
Delhi.
Very good place.
But it's so funny how like vapes were invented for like people who were so addicted to smoking. Vapes were invented for them to stop smoking. But like, yeah, that's
Then
what the
an
invention
addict.
was for. Yeah, like people who want to.
It's done way worse.
So like people who want to quit smoking, they shift to vape. But like now kids are starting with vape so that they
Yeah.
can get to cigarettes.
And the thing is, apparently, it causes something called a condition called popcorn lungs.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's uncurable.
Yeah, you cannot reverse it. So it's way worse. And just smoking it for a year regularly
It fucks you up.
can cause like double the damage that a cigarette. Like a cigarette is healthier than a vape.
That's what.
Damn.
Speaking of cigarettes, bloody hell, you know now it's going to get increased. The price are going to
72 rupees.
What? One cigarette?
Yeah.
cigarette.
But I don't think that'll happen.
Bro, that if that happens, people are going to riot. Honestly.
Right, yeah. But it won't happen. Because last time it happened, don't ask me why I know so much because I don't smoke, right?
Yeah, none of us.
Yeah.
None of us.
Like they said it would increase to 24 rupees, which didn't happen. They increased 1 rupee. It used to be 17, now it's 18. So 72
But I'm
they'll say
paying
they
t-
might. for who? Like
Like I have to buy for my friends, okay? Because you know, friends, and I am paying like 20 rupees. Am I getting scammed,
you're
fam?
getting scammed.
Damn, bro.
You're paying $20.
Yeah. Do you pay 18 bucks at the guy next to my house?
No, definitely not. Near my home it's still 18.
Yeah, everywhere else it's 18. I feel like these guys are really
That's
only-
because the rent is quite high.
So who?
Our lifespan
Yeah.
has already decreased like crazy.
Yeah,
lifespan
but-
is already decreased. Like
Who's nice?
No, generally.
in like lifespan of today's age.
Yeah.
It's come down to like 65.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, man. Another 40 years, that's all.
Yeah.
Make it count.
Yeah, dude. I keep telling my mom also, I don't want to live above
Yeah.
45.
I also do not want to live above like 60, 60.
Why?
60 and all.
Still,
Come on, bro.
Enough. Saku.
Yeah.
Saku.
Why, da?
The people who live like till like 100 and all, I'm like. Nigga, what are you doing? Like you're not hitting the gym, you're not like drinking.
Idiot,
You're
let
not
them
gonna work.
live.
Yeah, and it's those people only who touch 100.
Sorry, but like, is your therapist like our age or is she like elder? How old is she?
She's our age only. I wanted someone who is my age or
That's when it works.
slightly younger.
That's when it works.
That's why I asked this
So,
question
yeah.
because usually the ones who are our
Yeah,
age
they'll
are the ones who understand you so well.
Yeah.
But like, say if it's an older generation or something, it's just like,
yeah, you have to explain to them what Tinder is, swipe left is, this swipe.
Need to be like, you know, I was rage baiting this guy. They'll be like, but what is rage baiting?
rage bait. Rage and then bait.
Dude, I actually had a friend. She was telling me I had to explain to my therapist. Now, my therapist is 45. I had to explain to her what Tinder is. I'm like, that is my nightmare. I
That's
don't
what,
want a
bro.
therapist
Like, yeah, that's true. It has
For
it's
me,
just
I think
about
I
time,
need more than
guess.
therapy. I have other issues, but yeah.
Erectile dysfunction.
And you're like, bro, why you got so personal, bro?
I also kind of hate how Bangalore's reputation or like image is only because of this one thing, and that is Water Sudeep. Like, come on, man.
Because creators like me are going and marketing that only. No, Bunny is on the
Bunny is
spotlight.
trending.
And Bunny madam, Bunny sir.
Oh, yeah.
Bags ಗೆ ನೈಟೀಸ್ ಗೆ ಜಿಪ್ಸು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೊಸ ಜಿಪ್ಗಳು ಹಾಕಿ
Bunny
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ
madam, Bunny
ಮತ್ತೆ
sir.
yeah, and it has that accent. It's not like
it's-
Bunny madam, but Bunny madam, Bunny
Bro,
sir.
the
It comes
same
from
thing,
your-
same. Have you seen
Again,
this
from
accent?
the epic. Bro, everything that we say is like from down our ass, bro.
By the way,
This guy,
By the way,
bro.
Let's talk about Metro, guys.
next topic is
Metro station. Yeah, but I hate how, you know how funny it is, like when you, let's say, you go to Majestic. It's like, you're sitting, like, it's like right before Majestic. It'll be like,
next stop.
next stop is Majestic station, Nada Prabhu.
Or like say for example, if you go to Guntapalya, next stop is like so melodic, like you know when you hear like oh wow,
Oh, wow.
and then Guntapalya. What happened?
This also.
That's
Sexy baby.
Oh,
D-boss.
boss for the win.
D-boss.
Yeah.
You know his movie came out. And like people, Devil, and people love it, bro. Like, come on, like.
Yeah, that morning, bro. It
come
was some
on.
weekend. I came out of my room like full morning. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ my mom
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ.
started, ಏನಿದು devil movie ಅಷ್ಟು promo ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. I'm like, dude, I just woke up. Talk about some birds. We just talk about D-Boss. I'm like,
Talk
Mommy.
about the economics. Talk about
Talk about
Economics.
can we please talk about the economic and
Economics of-
political situation of the world?
Dude, it's insane. Buses are like very reckless nowadays. I don't know. I see it a lot.
6, 7.
fuck off. I honestly like fuck off like 6, 7.
Yeah, what is
6'7"?
6'7"?
Dude, I tried understanding, but I cannot can.
What?
It doesn't mean anything. It's just the fun of it is that it doesn't mean anything.
It means I don't know, and I've seen this.
Yeah?
It means I don't know, but also it can mean like, you know.
Like, you know, what?
No, da.
What?
It definitely
I don't
does
think
not
it
mean.
does mean it.
Are you mad? It kind of gives that hint like it.
What? How does
Why did they do this action then?
Because they're
Kids.
horny.
For
6, 7.
So
But they could have
6,
chosen
7?
6,
Why?
9.
yeah, exactly 6, 9.
6'9".
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I don't get it though.
Bro, honestly,
6'7", I don't get
like
it.
I
don't
was
get skibbity.
I was okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
I don't get skibbity. I don't get phantom tax. What the fuck is phantom tax?
Fuck that. Like my point is like at least Gen Z. I'm sorry, but like I at this point I'm like okay with Gen Z slangs little bit at least. Like you know like okay, chalo, what is the Gen Z slang?
Slaps.
But you are Gen Z.
That's what he's saying.
Kibidi.
That's what I'm saying.
This is Gen Alpha.
Gen Alpha.
Gen
Alpha.
Gen Alpha.
Jan Alpha.
Jan.
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 Very Jan.
Jan Alpha.
Jan Elsa.
Jan Kelsa.
Why did you have to do that, bro? You have to go back.
Ayo. Oh yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow you have to. Fuck you guys.
No, I can take off though.
I don't have.
Oh wait, today is Sunday.
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 Sunday, oh yeah, Monday.
January, February, March, Atundar, Kakundar. Sunday.
No wait. January, February, March, April, Akundar, November.
Kakundar. Sunday.
Goated, man.
I guess he's such a funny North Indian.
Yeah, but what were we talking about? What is it? Gen Z slangs. Oh, sorry, Gen Alpha. Gen Z slangs are at least much more better. Like you know, it's. I would say it's.
It makes sense.
kind of-
Like, see, like, look at words like rage baiting and all. Like, it makes
Educated
sense.
slang.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
educated.
Like edging.
Yeah. This motherfucker edging all of it.
It's like the metro this thing only. Initially they'll edge you.
Yeah.
This stop
Stop
is.
is.
Next stop is.
And then-
Gorgondapalle. Oh, such a
Motherfucker's
turn
been
off.
edging us all the while.
As most edging sessions end.
Yeah. The edge is edging.
Gorgondapalle.
But
Yeah.
but the Gen Alpha slang is like, what the fuck is that? Like you have like Skibbity is one of them. Then what? Phantom Tax. Bro, the most recent one is 6-7. Like I've literally asked people like, bro, what is 6-7? Like what the fuck is it? They're like 6-7. Loud it.
Like, what do you mean? Like, one boob is smaller and one boob is big or what? Like, why do
One
you
is
even
6
do this?
kgs, the one is 7 kgs.
Where is this? I want to see.
Me too. I have like 6 and 7 grams.
Same.
Sorry, friend.
But I was at the airport the other day and there were like random kids around me and they were all just doing 6-7 at the airport. Kids.
Like, looking at you?
Oh my god.
I wish. Kids, come to me.
Epstein files, unseen footage.
Bro, did he and Epstein, two different people,
I
by the way.
swear.
Two different people. Like, and both of them pedophiles. Both of them. It's like one competition. Walmart,
Men
Walmart and Target.
Yeah, dude.
Walmart, Target.
Men, basically.
Yeah.
So that means pedophiles exist in all races.
But like the most cheapest resto bars in Bangalore.
Hey,
And
man.
also the party scenes, we need to talk about that.
Oh yeah.
Party scene, what I've like noticed this year, or like a past couple of years, like while growing up, I used to like look at partying as like a very like group thing, a very fun thing.
Yeah.
Okay? I used to think of partying, and I feel like only people who would like accomplish a lot of things in life. Let's say like you like got like
Some
a
rich
car or
dude,
something,
some
some
rich
rich dude, or like you have a very
Loaded.
loaded, and then you go have fun. Okay, but now it's like
All brokies
partying,
party.
yeah, all broke people like go there and they're like just like there, and it's
Probably
like
wouldn't even get a
it
drink
feels a little sad, in my opinion.
Also,
Like people are
yeah.
not there to have fun. Like people are just there to like
Put
either
story.
They put story. It's
Cars.
more for the
They
gram.
don't dance. You don't dance at parties. Like,
It's more for
Not
the
me.
gram.
I dance.
yeah, we do. Like,
ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ dance ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರಲ್ಲಿ.
That's also there,
That's
bro.
another thing. Like go to Kitiko, you will like just like
Unless they're playing like Bolly Tech.
Bolly
Tech
is
like,
good. Bolly though you don't give a shit. You're just like fuck
There's no
everyone.
place.
oh, I make place. I become a tornado. I was like,
She'll hit people and
Yeah, I actually was like, I'm like elbowing everybody around me and they're like,
दिल में
पागल है ये तो इसके बगल से हट जाओ.
दर्दे disco.
दिल में मेरे दर्द डिस्को and they'll be like, अरे कोई येड़ी आ गई है इसके पास से हटो भाई.
So like I had been to like Watson's on a Wednesday, and it's a great place, but there were 2,500 people. Like
What?
okay.
Yeah.
Like there was no place. Like you can't sing. Okay, you
Karaoke night.
You're telling
karaoke night. You
2,000.
Yeah, yeah.
probably even more than that. They were
Yeah.
What's
Even in
this jam?
Kindigo, 2,000 people come.
Yeah.
packed
Yeah,
to
dude.
an extent where you couldn't breathe. Like, how do you expect me to do karaoke, bro, when I can't breathe?
Delhi.
You put a breathing song, that also I can't do. You expect me to play, like, sing Sweet Child of Mine?
yeah. Watson's is getting that fame right now. The karaoke nights.
It's
and
a
all that.
great thing, I think. It's a great,
Place.
Yeah.
place. It's a good, on a Wednesday, people are very tired of us already. So they want to go and like party. But oh my god, the number of people.
Fair.
And also, I think Watson's only has that rock culture right now,
Yeah,
where they
that's
do
right. Now
rock
they do have-
karaoke and
yeah,
not
they
sing
have
fucking Weekend, Travis Scott. Dude, Blue came to Bangalore. Fucking Blue came to Bangalore on 14th of December.
I didn't even know this.
Dude, I was like,
Wait,
oh
do
my
you know which
god.
was blue?
Yeah, sorry.
Blue! Beba ganga hai blue!
Kick her out, please.
Difference. The clear.
Kick her out.
Bro, but Blue.
I mean, wait,
the
you're
band,
25 and you don't know blue.
Like her.
Bro, as a certified Taylor Swift hater all my life,
Yes.
Wait, you will tell me after this.
Oh, shit.
I have come to a realization that her most recent song, which was Fate of Ophelia, is
it's
a banger.
Yeah.
It's a banger, bro.
Fuck that.
I hate her, but whenever that song plays, I'm
But I
like,
think these
on
guys.
The sky, the sky.
See, all these truthers, fuck all of them. Like, I know that when they are drunk, white girl music is gonna come
my
out.
girl, oh,
Like white.
Dude, I don't like that song, dude. I hate Fate of Ophelia. I'm sorry.
Really?
It doesn't
Yeah,
make
yeah.
sense.
I like Miss Americana. I like.
Oh, you are
Maroon.
a Taylor.
I like
No, I'm
style
not.
also.
Style.
Tyler.
Dude, after her album 1989, nothing's tailored
Yes.
the way that has tailored. You know?
That is the only album I
Damn.
like.
Nothing, bro.
Wildest Dreams also I like.
I also like, bro.
Yeah.
But Wildest Dreams ho
But
gaya,
I
Style ho
actually
gaya.
like a lot of her songs. Bro.
Yeah.
Like,
They're,
I
because
like
they're
Blank
very
Space.
mainstream, no?
I like Blank
Yeah,
Space.
yeah. But like those niche songs, how everybody's like ripping their bras off because of a song.
Yeah.
I'm like, relax.
And sad.
Daddy, chill.
Dude, and very sadly, that culture is coming to Bangalore. Bro, we used to rip our bras off for like Lamb of God, Opeth,
Yes.
Tool,
Wait,
Carnival.
Wait. Do you listen to metal?
No, but I know, but I'm educated enough about prog rock.
See, she knows. I mean,
Same, actually same.
But,
But like,
cancel
I
Adam
feel like
Levine.
to be a band's fanboy or something. Let's say you're a Coldplay fanboy. Okay, that does not mean that you should know every band
bro, fuck that.
member name also.
Like she was saying.
Like
True, true.
no.
That's
I
true.
agree with you.
Why is that
100%.
pressure there?
That's
If you
true.
like the songs
You
and
like
you
the
like
songs.
who sang
Yeah.
So
The
it's true, I
product is what
agree.
you like.
I agree in some sort of way, but like you look at, I sent you a fucking reel today,
it. I didn't see.
bro. Like about Metallica, da Gugu.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that one. So they came over here in 2011,
Game over.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
dude, everyone over there knows the all songs. They know all songs. They know all
That's true.
band members, everything. Why? Because they would listen. They were die-hard fans of the
Actually
band.
fans. Like, bro, when Michael Jackson came to India, it was a like nationwide thing.
Yeah.
And everyone who went were MJ fans.
Now though, it's more or less like it's more of like, oh, just for the gram.
Yeah.
But I feel like now it is also because, see, before that, you did not have a lot of things to distract you. So you had the time that if you had a fixation, for example, on a band, you were like, oh my god, what is this person's name? What chaddi he wears? What razor
Full kundali
he
I
uses?
want. Yeah.
And nowadays, people don't have the mental bandwidth to do that research, na? Because you're so saturated and always distracted. Still, that is why in today's day and age, having a passion is so attractive. Because it's so difficult to maintain a passion.
Just the one topic.
Shout out to
I
my
wanna talk
boyfriend.
Yeah.
He is very passionate.
This is one topic I want to talk about. Is
Passionate
like,
about you. He should be.
Yeah.
should be.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about Bangalore, folks.
Yeah.
Like, finally.
Yes.
Like, what is going on? Like,
Right? Like what? Sorry.
It's receiving
First
a
you
lot
eat.
of hate lately.
First you eat, then
Like what?
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 It's getting a lot of hate. I see a lot of core Bangaloreans who have been born and brought up here. They're like, fuck this city, dude.
That's true.
It was
I'm one of
there was
them.
this one era where we all had where I will retire in Mysore. Now Mysore also is polluted. And they're like, I don't know where to retire.
Honestly, I feel like moving to Hyderabad.
Why?
Much more better place.
because of the marag.
Like,
No, there's no traffic. The roads are better.
bro, from
There's a
here
proper-
in Bangalore, airport to probably like say,
Bannerghatta.
forget, that's too much. That's way extreme.
That's like 24 hours.
The full day travel.
Day traffic.
Yeah,
that'll be. Bangalore to
Airport
even-
to... Let's say even Kodigalli
airport
Gate, bro.
to-
Hebbal.
Hebbal.
Fuck it,
Fuck
Hebbal.
that. Let's just say Hebbal. It takes a fucking 1.5 hour
Yeah,
just
yeah.
to go to Hebbal. 1 hour at least. Bloody hell. Hyderabad, 30 minutes for 30 kilometers. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? I want to move that. I want to move there.
Yeah, dude.
But if you move there, the party culture is not the same. The temperature
See,
is
there's
not the same.
differences.
So there's like a lot of things, bro. Like, I feel like traffic, honestly, is one of the only things that's fucking us up. Like,
Yeah.
Left, right, center, okay. If things like that and things like roads, things like infra is a little better, I think
Yeah.
Bangalore will be the best place to live because I still love Bangalore though.
I love Bangalore.
I love Bangalore too, and as somebody who is not from Bangalore, I feel like people keep blaming people who migrate to Bangalore for the reason of the traffic, but it's really not. It's the poor infrastructure because Mumbai has been like the hub of migration. And the reason they don't blame migration, they welcome migration because that is what makes their city them. And they blame the actual reason, that is the infrastructure, the roads, the modes of communication, transport, modes of transport, and all of that. So I feel like that is something people should actually talk about, protest against, so that it becomes better. Because I feel like people who are from Bangalore and who come to Bangalore, they're so caught up in things that don't matter. That it's just polluting the vibe of the city. I feel like Bangalore has space for everyone. And Bangalore has the love for everyone. But I feel like because of poor management, everybody's so frustrated that they're like, get out of my city. Like,
I'll tell you one
but
thing. I'll tell you one
also-
thing. So, it's actually these two things.
Okay, come on, say it.
No,
Yeah,
no, I'm kidding. No, I was just trying to pull a like.
No, but I don't think Bangalore was meant to handle so much of crowd. Infra aside, but it wasn't meant to. Dude, look at the ORR, man. Look at the amount of buildings
Yeah.
versus road. Now, I don't know how to fix it. The way it's built, it's like, illi one ground is there, road madbidana. It's like that. That's how it's built. No planning, nothing. But I don't think, even in the big, dude, Bellandur wasn't a part of Bangalore,
Yeah.
right?
Dude,
And now,
Yeah.
you know what? Lal Bagh was like the outskirts.
Yeah.
Lal Bagh was outskirts.
Lumbini
Now-
also.
Whitefield.
Lumbini.
Whitefield is like somewhere else.
Dude.
Bro, Lal Bagh was the outskirts and now Lal Bagh is almost the center of Bangalore.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
think about it.
Yeah.
Whitefield is
So,
like, it was like
in
some other city.
Sunland, the Bangalore was basically a huge hill, bro. It was
Yeah.
hill station.
And
Bangalore,
the thing is that, us North Indians never said that we want to move to Bangalore. Because honestly, from a very raw perspective, and it's not to offend anyone, from a raw perspective, nobody wants to leave their hometown, right? Because everybody considers that their hometown is the best. I'm not talking about Northeast
So,
specifically.
Why
One
don't
minute.
you go back?
I wish. I wish.
Correct.
But it is not the fault of the people who have migrated that the jobs that they want to sustain themselves are here, right? So why are these people getting the hate? Yes, I am 100% for the fact that people should assimilate themselves with the culture that they are there, especially if you've lived so long in this area, because it's giving so much to you, and I feel like there has to be a sense of gratitude. But all I'm saying is that the level of hate that the migrators get is undue because it's not by choice, it's opportunities that have been created here, and that is a game that somebody else is controlling. People who made the industry here, they could have very well made it somewhere else. it wouldn't have been your problem. You would have gotten your Bangalore of your dreams,
Yeah.
so to speak. Like everybody wants their city to be untouched, right? Lucknow is also facing migration from Delhi, from everywhere, and we are like, but we can't blame them because everybody wants to have a life, right?
Yeah.
And I am like the firstborn daughter of my family who is the first person to leave my house. And if the opportunities to prove myself are in Bangalore, would you really come to me and be like, you're a bitch, get out of my city, where all I'm trying to do is provide for my family? I was like, if Bangalore is the PR hub, then what is my fault for coming to Bangalore? Like, I didn't come here by choice, bro. The jobs are here,
No,
right?
fair.
Yeah.
100%.
And the only thing is, some people are reluctant to own Bangalore as their own.
That
I
is
am
true.
not
That
one
is
of
one
them.
thing, yeah.
I love Bangalore for everything that
See, that
there
is what
to love.
I don't like. Like, if you come here at least, okay, fine. You have the, because of work, whatever, XYZ reasons, but like, I'm not saying it's a mandate that you should know the culture. It's not like, see, because if
Yeah.
I go to North, it's not going to be a mandate for me to know the culture, talk the language and all. I know I have to eventually, but like, it's not a mandate. But the point here I'm trying to make is that, like, people who have been here and still say like, no, I will not.
Yeah.
I will only do what I want.
People who've
Yeah.
been here like 15, 20 years.
Bro,
and
like,
they're
come on, like, you don't know Kannada, like, even after being here for like 20 years.
That's-
That's a
yeah.
little bit sad. I would say it's sad.
That just means that they are so reluctant to not like learn it
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah, yeah.
They're like, okay.
Why
I know-
should we?
Yeah, why should I?
So that's where I'm just like, bro, that's kind of
Yeah.
sad, honestly.
Yeah.
Because if I come to your city and I know I will, eventually I will learn the language. Eventually I will learn the culture. I will love the culture
So a
also.
lot of countries you're supposed, it's a mandate to learn
Yeah.
their language before you start working
I think
there.
even if you go to North, it's a mandate. You go
is a
speak in
mandate.
English,
Yeah.
nobody will understand you in Delhi.
Yeah.
Kya bol rahi hai, Nicolo? Like, it's like that.
Yeah.
Leave that. My dad told me this one thing when he was traveling from Meghalaya to Bangalore in car, by the way. He told me in Kolkata, nobody knows Bangalore. Half of them at least don't know Bangalore. And that's pretty sad. Like, we know Kolkata, we know most of the places, but bloody hell, they don't even know us. They're like, oh, Madrasi.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just like, bro, like, that's pretty
That's
sad.
sad.
The thing is, the South has always been a little secluded because it's so inaccessible to a random North Indian and a East Indian, for example, right?
Yeah.
And that's a wrong term to use, but I'm just talking geographically, just to be clear. That somebody from the north of India or the east of India or even for the west, it's slightly more accessible for the west, but for me to come to Bangalore, it's like I am completely cut off from my family. Like, it takes so much of financial
Yours is complete
planning.
north, no?
Yeah. So people, and the thing is, somebody who's living in a small town in UP,
Yeah.
you know, what benefit does knowing about Bangalore get them? So somebody who's like trying to earn a daily wage in Kolkata, what will they tell? They're like, okay, there's a region there, and for them west is Mumbai. Nothing.
Yeah.
Rajasthani, who is Udaipur, who is Jaipur, nobody
They don't know,
knows.
yeah. I also
Everything in central India, Haryanvi,
Oh, okay.
Punjabi. You know, so generalization are everywhere. UP. Bihar, UP though
You
still
can say
nobody
the
gives
same
a
thing
fuck.
about like towns or villages in Karnataka. We can't just be like UP. They won't know UP.
They won't
Yeah.
know UP.
That's true,
Yeah.
Because it's not like necessary for them to know.
Yeah.
Nobody knows Bangalore in my
But
town.
Modi,
Like,
everyone will know.
Modi.
Everyone will know. No,
Modi hai to mumkin hai, guys. Modi.
Modi for the win, bro. Yeah, I only told don't
Two.
go political. We are only like
No,
the one
delete
who's
this. Delete
He's
this.
the one who's like, Modi.
as long as you support them, you're fine. In
Yeah,
India.
bro.
Yeah.
No, but they know we're doing it very sarcastically.
Yeah. But I think since Bangalore is changing a lot, right? I'm not blaming anybody, but because of the change, because everybody is frustrated, even localites here are frustrated because of the overcrowding, because of poor
That I agree.
infrastructure, and everyone's frustrated, everyone's
I
greedy.
feel like for the first time in a lot of years,
Yeah.
we just know that it's the government's fault. Like they're not doing anything.
Exactly.
Like,
We are fine only.
did you see that video recently about, what is that, Siddaramaiah? Yelling at those guys for the metro not being, nothing is happening. Bro, honestly,
Take Metro as an example,
bro,
After
honestly,
10 years,
10 years has been the
6
same.
years,
Yeah.
it was just there.
It's
I was in college like 6 years ago, and that is when it was still in the middle of being constructed.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And
even
now it's still
Ejipura.
Ejipura flyover, bro.
Yeah, bro.
What the hell?
Delete that flyover.
Bro, like
Hebbal
so
flyover.
fucked up because
Hebbal Flower finally opened.
they finally opened.
Yeah.
They opened a new passage like that.
Yeah. Oh, the one that goes. Yes.
That.
But Ejipura. But I still believe that we'll finally get Ejipura flyover before GTA, bro. Before GTA, to Ejipura flyover will come.
That's true. That is true. But the traffic has gotten. I'm sorry.
Dude.
I'm sorry, but the traffic is the worst in Bangalore. It's the worst because you have even if I have to travel to. For me, like traveling to MG Road is much more peaceful at this point because I'm just like, oh, 45 minutes, cool. Then you know.
That what like for me it's so bad that anything less than 30 minutes is very close for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, I'm like, oh,
20
29 minutes.
20 minutes.
Oh,
Okay, bro.
crazy.
Right here only.
For
And
other
then
folks who are like
yeah.
20 minutes, are like, oh my god, 20 minutes, too much.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I had been to Dubai, subtle flex, but I had been to Dubai in Jan. I over here, 5 kilometers is like 20 minutes. Over there, 30 kilometers is 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Bro, exactly.
That's how.
Remember
Up it
when
is.
we used to go to Belandur? We were like, oh, 2 hours. Like it's nothing. It's
Yeah.
Bro, it's fucked up. 2 hours, man.
Yeah.
Just sitting over there in the car.
Every day we are
every
doing that shit.
day.
Damn, dude.
Damn.
And also, like, on the outer ring road, right? There's not a single second where you can't not listen to a honk.
That's true.
It's like, yeah,
Yeah, because I was in Bangkok, okay? I was in Bangkok and right outside Chatuchak market, bro. It's a weekend market and it was jam-packed when I went, okay? That weekend market is insane. Right outside, there are cabs stopping, there are like rickshaws and all of that. Nobody's honking. And one guy with his ukulele, I can hear the ukulele. I'm like, what? And above, there's a metro station. I'm like, what is this? MG Road situation. But nobody's honking. Everyone's following their lanes. Here, it's like if you follow, you're like, hey, jaldi hoga. Like, you get yelled at for following rules.
following lanes. Yeah.
Yeah,
But this is one thing that I noticed in Goa this time, okay? We were traveling from north to south. Everybody is so chill. Like, oh, you want to change lanes? Be my guest. I will reverse my car so that you can change your lane.
Yeah.
I was like, and they also have such an influx of tourists. But they don't like, they hate tourists a little bit, and you know what kind of tourists.
Regarding that
Yeah.
point, do you think Goa is overhyped right now?
No, dude. Anybody who knows how to experience Goa will experience Goa.
True, I agree.
If you go to fucking Candlem and
But like,
Anjuna
exactly,
and Baga,
see, for example,
then you will
Candlem right
swim
now.
in poop and piss.
Yeah, exactly. Like,
That's
I think another few more months or years, even other places which I can't say because I'm gatekeeping those.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say those names because Mother Chod, all these guys will go there.
Yeah.
So, like, but I feel those places again, even though I'm not going to say it, but like those places will get populated again.
Yeah, dude.
Because
But
like look at before you came last time when we went for a trip, Candlem was a very secluded place.
No.
It was when we went.
No.
What's wrong with you? When we went.
I burped and said
The system is like, what?
The digestive system is also agreeing. Like,
The denial came from inside.
my core, like, no.
It was secluded.
2
last time.
years ago, when I started going to Goa, the first beach that we stayed at was Candlem. It was always populated, bro.
Amazon. Yeah,
It
no,
was
no, no.
always like the
Yeah,
chudas and the.
But honestly,
90s
tourism
and
tourism in Goa has decreased a lot.
It has decreased.
Is
in
it?
fact,
Which is a
because-
good thing.
Yeah.
So I do agree it is overhyped. It was overhyped. That's why it's decreased now. That's what I think.
Now speaking of food,
Crabs.
speaking of fucking food, I want to talk about matcha.
Hey,
The
yeah.
hype of bloody matcha.
Yeah.
Like gandus.
I don't understand. No, looks like that tap water which I
Algae.
Kengeri koche mori. This is my Kengeri koche mori drink.
This is my okay.
like a mori,
You start a matcha startup and you're like, where do you source it from? Kengeri.
Illinda togone mori inda.
See, and I'm a matcha hater, by the way. So, like, anybody who wants to try a good matcha, go to Matcha Turtle.
He's a matcha hater, but
I'm
a
a matcha
lover.
hater, but a matcha lover.
Matcha.
Matcha man. Dosa, idli, sambar, chutney.
My go-to place has always and will always be CTR.
CTR. Oh?
I just love CTR.
You don't
Overrated.
You don't know my go-to place. I
If
don't
you
even know
tell
the
me
name.
Rameshwaram.
No, it's not.
No. Mine also is different.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Mine is
You-
Manekade. Udupi.
Ah.
Yeah, bro, some random Udupi place will
Yeah,
be like,
dude, they have
Yeah,
some
yeah.
busting dosa.
Slaps.
Yeah.
Not all, but I'm saying certain. Like near my home.
CTR.
That's the
CTR
thing.
for
That's the
me.
beauty of dosa, I feel, because it's like such a weird food that anybody can make fabulously good, and anybody can just like fuck it up so badly.
Yeah.
And in these
Yeah,
niche
yeah,
places like the Udupi Ahar near my place, they have the most bussing good dosa, dude.
But you tell me.
Bro,
you tell me.
there-
What's yours?
IDC.
No, IDC Benne dosa.
Yeah.
I don't like IDC. I like the other normal Benne dosa. Davangere.
Davangere. Oh,
Yeah,
Davangere Benne
Davangere
dosa has
Benne
another
dosa,
cult.
yeah,
bro,
yeah.
honestly. But guys, sambar dip or separate?
Separate,
bro.
Dip and all.
All you fuckers.
Bro, that's the gayest shit ever.
Uncultured you are.
Fuckers.
It
If you don't agree on the comments, the dip is much more better.
Comments,
No.
go fuck them.
Comments, you tell dip or undip.
Yeah.
I said
Dip or uncultured?
Yes.
Oh,
dip any day.
No, uncultured or undip.
No, sorry, uncultured or dip? Dip is.
No,
Have you
that
seen
dip
that
is
one?
what we are protesting against.
Yeah.
Yeah, separate
dip
or
or
dip.
uncultured?
Correct only. What you said is correct.
First one was right.
Hey.
No,
Hey,
da.
dip or uncultured?
Dip is uncultured.
Dip
Hey,
is what?
Oh, sorry,
Dip is like
undip or
Separate
Undip.
or uncultured?
yes, separate or uncultured.
You've been saying
Separate or
separate or uncultured. See, look at these two things. Those who don't have, those who really don't take dip, look at them, how they are. Gandus.
We don't have mental issues, bro.
Like
Chill.
Gandus there, look at that.
Bro,
Can't
it's
say
the best,
separate.
bro. Like, come on.
Bro, you
How
have
can
to
you do
retain
dip,
the
bro?
crispiness of
That's
that.
Exactly. You like soggy acid.
I do like the
Like
crisp.
you have to taste the sambar
the whole
with it,
point is like-
and then a crunch.
It crunch
Like wait.
You're talking about. You're
You
talking
have to
about
maintain
dosa.
that, bro.
But I'm talking about idli.
Yeah,
thing, idli also.
idli also.
But like, see, when you take, when you
Uppit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that is if you fucking wait for so long.
Podi
Like,
idli
No,
means
even if
every
you like
podi
in a
will be
minute,
swimming in the
bulla.
sambar.
If you take it from your waiter and go
Bull.
self-service if you do,
Yeah.
you'll at least start eating after 2 minutes,
Yeah.
3
no,
minutes.
I immediately started eating.
Podi Anna.
I started eating immediately.
He
It's just like he just ate. Okay, you are serving me. I was like,
See, I immediately eat, okay? And
bro,
then-
you are one demon.
Yeah, bro. Illi, I like that bhaji bonda, that banana dip bhaji, no?
Oh yes.
So coated, bro. It is so
Yeah.
coated. That's what
Banana
is it called?
bhaji
See,
is
these are the
the
things
goat.
that you find in Bangalore.
Oh, they say something else, bro. I don't know.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. I don't know what it's called. What is it called?
I'm
That
saying
banana
something
bhaji.
It's called banana bhaji.
I'm saying something else. I'm saying these are the things that you find in Bangalore. Like, nowhere else. You can.
Yeah, no.
I'm sorry, but like, food is good in Lucknow. It is.
Please, let's not get there. Lucknow food is always going to be superior to Bangalore food, and I said what I said. Bangalore
She's
food
gonna
is
get a lot of hate now.
fabulous.
Sorry.
Bangalore food is fabulous. I love puliogre. I love tomato rice. I love lemon rice. I am somebody
way-
who eats kanji in the morning. But Lucknow
Wait,
food
last.
still
We're
comes.
going to talk about this last debate. Kebab. Their kebab and our kebab is
Completely different.
completely different.
Yeah.
Why? Their kebab is more like mince.
Yeah.
Ours is red color and all.
It's just
Madhachol, it should be red.
Yeah.
Which it's just like this pakoda of meat pieces. What is kebab in
Then
that?
we
You
can
tell.
say the same thing. It's
Yours
just
is
like
mince.
grilled chicken
Yours
or
is
something.
prawn.
No,
It's just marinated.
How is this?
Keema it is.
It's not keema. It's not mince. It's literally mixed with like the kebab. Initially was supposed to be mixed with dal, spices, so that it becomes a paste that you make into a patty.
Off.
ಅದು ವಡೆ ಅದು.
That's not a
Vada illamba. ಏನು?
That's not a kebab.
No.
bro.
You mix chicken with chicken masala vade.
Yeah.
That's
For
one
us,
like an egg
kebab is
scramble.
your
Like,
kebab proper.
Burji.
Okay, kebab masala, egg, your masala. Make a masala. I'm not saying don't make a masala.
But the thing
Masala,
is, then why
egg,
you are
curd.
calling it kebab? Just call it chicken pakode.
is not. It's kebab.
It is literally
That's how
chicken pakode,
kebab is.
batter fried chicken.
Basically, deep fried chicken is
Yeah.
what kebab is.
Yeah.
And that is what South Indian
That's
No,
what we do.
I'm gonna Google that bullshit, bitch.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna Google this now. Real
Fuck off.
meaning
No,
of
we can't do this.
Initially was supposed to be mixed with dal, spices.
Kebabs specifically. Fuck Lucknowis, bro. This
Yeah,
kebab.
please,
Fuck
I
them.
agree.
please.
I'm sorry. You can hate me for it in the comments.
Lucknowi's support.
I don't give a
Support
shit
in the comments.
because
Support
South
in the
Indians, the kebabs, like
Kebabs.
you can check and
I
Google.
tell you what, like kebabs itself, South Indian kebabs go well with any drink.
Exactly.
That's
Yeah.
what
Shut
kebabs are
up.
meant for. You can't just go
Exactly.
and be like, I want kebabs without a drink.
Yeah.
Forget about drink itself.
I mean, but that is just a different experience.
No,
no?
forget about
the
drink.
only experience with meat ever.
Exactly.
So, friends, Asian times.
Asian times? What
Yeah.
are like European times?
Ancient.
Ancient.
Oh, I said Asian.
Yeah.
Ancient times.
Yeah. See, I feel like we have to agree to disagree because even the kebabs that are the ones you get in Lucknow, you can have it with anything. Love
Kebab
life.
in general are too good,
Yeah.
but Bangalore's better. So,
Yeah.
But yeah. It's like Lucknow is just shit.
No.
No,
No.
kebabs are good. Kebabs. Lucknow is good.
Lucknow is the best.
Best biryani spot. Let's go.
Best biryani spot. Tunde in Lucknow. Rahim's in Lucknow. Every shop in Lucknow, no Bangalore.
Okay. By the way, we're not recording now. Just cut it off completely.
Best biryani.
Best biryani.
Nandana.
No.
Hey, no.
My money, bro. My money. They make some good biryani. My mom and dad make some good biryani.
Yeah.
Like with
But
some
there's
good
this
rice mutton.
one Akshata something in Yalahanka.
Hey, yeah.
It's a very
Is it
famous
Yelahanka
done
or
biryani.
Like
They have
Airport
multiple,
Road?
huh?
Airport Road or Yelahanka?
Airport Road.
I think so.
I like Nagarjuna biryani.
Famous.
Nagarjuna.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Nagarjuna is also
Nagarjuna
good.
biryani is also good.
Yeah.
That's
Meghna's is
Nag-
bad.
Yeah. I think
but-
Meghna is
but-
overrated.
But I do understand why people like it.
Why?
Because it's not real. Actually,
It's not real.
it's not
It's
real.
a figment
And
of
it's
their
a-
imagination.
It's a on popular demand. I feel like they've just made something.
Yeah, masala
Yeah.
hak bitter,
Bittu,
something they have
chicken
given.
hak bittu,
Yeah.
Yeah,
given. So
it's
everyone
too
likes it.
spicy for no fucking reason. Like there's no depth that the spice is adding. It's just making you cry.
Speaking
Yeah,
of
dude.
spice foods, I think Andhra biryani is the best. Then.
Yeah.
I do
Chili
agree.
Chicken biryani.
But can you beat Lucknow biryani though?
Fuck
Like can you?
can.
No,
Yes,
you
we
can't.
can.
No,
No,
you
you-
can't. No, you
Khazana
can't.
in near.
Khazana, bitch. That is khazana.
Whatever.
Khazana from the epiglottis, bitch.
Whatever.
For so much you are saying from epiglottis, you can't say this.
You come. We'll go there.
Where is
Khazana.
Near Joseph's.
Oh yeah.
Near Joseph's.
Ayo, I studied there only.
How do you not know?
You know.
I know Chinnu. Joseph.
Bro, biryani, please
Hey, what is that
keep
cafe
it to
near,
yourself. Every biryani is nonsense.
Brahmin's Cafe.
No. There's a particular chai shop near Khazana only. Damn it.
Pandit Ji chai shop.
Gottilla mama.
It's on Muslim place, bro. It's a,
Hey, I think I know what you're talking about.
Which?
damn. There's one chai also. You can go
Joseph College of Commerce. After that,
Siddiquis.
On the left.
Sandwich.
On the
there.
left.
Never mind.
It's near what you're telling me.
Just going on like it's near Koromangla. That route to Koromangla.
Avon. Sorry.
Bro, Avon is too overhyped, I feel.
Avon sucks.
I went there once in my life and I got
Cheap
whistled
liquor
at.
though, right?
You got what?
Whistled at.
Whistle.
Like, bro, I am built like a banana. That only you are whistling means some Apsara walks in, you will beat her, bro.
You are the Apsara.
No, da. I was a Apsara pencil.
Bro.
Oh, that's what she meant.
Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful you meant.
Apsara's good, man. Apsara's good.
She
Apsara
meant
pencil
Apsara
is
as in
good.
the meaning Apsara.
Apsara means angel and
Yeah.
diva and...
Sheena,
She
you are
is
Doms.
a Barry diva.
Doms. You know Dom's pencil.
I'm subs, bro.
Bro, Dom, some geometrical triangle.
Bro, I
How do you hold that
swear,
shit?
yeah,
Minimalistic, like futuristic.
Gucci
Future-
and
It was so
everything.
dark, bro. It was so
Yeah.
dark.
Yeah.
Like Angie.
Cool.
Okay.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
Dot. Wish.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And we love you. And we're so back. And we're so happy to be back. And we're drunk. And we love you. Bye. Say something.
Only sober people say such stuff. No, we're drunk, guys.
That's what,
Sober people have the most drunk personality.
That's true. Yeah,
Arre, but I'm not sober, yeah. I'm two buzzballs. I'm 2 balls down, guys. Actually, you know what? This makes it 4 balls.
Okay.
Okay, so I think that's a wrap. And this was an amazing episode. Thank you all for coming. And thank you, Neha, for joining us.
Thanks, Neha, for joining us.
Next time again, we'll call
We'll
Neha.
definitely call you again.
Yeah.
And
Woo!
yeah, woo! So
Cut.